That looks pretty slick, I gotta say so myself. What is going on, everybody? My name is Mike. Welcome back to the channel. I am very glad that you're back here with me today because we are looking at Nuphy's brand new 65% layout keyboard, the Halo65. This is one good looking keyboard, but is it worth $120? So in today's video, we're gonna unpack it, see what's in the box, see what I like, what I don't like, and whether or not you should buy it for 120 bucks. And if you stick around, I'm actually gonna be giving one of these away at the end of the video. So let's get right into it. And to be transparent, Nuphy did send me the black keyboard that I'm gonna be giving away, but I did purchase this white one myself because I think the aesthetic is just really good and I like the way that their keyboards have performed in the past. Additionally, Nuphy is giving you a 10% discount on your next purchase using Mike10 as a discount code, which you can find in the video description. Now let's talk about some of the features of the Halo65. Priced at $120, the Halo65 has a 65% layout with 67 usable keys. Now you can choose between either a white frame or a black frame keyboard. The white is called Iconic White and the black is called Matte Black, and it actually is a matte black in color. Now outside of the white or the black, you have also the option to choose shine through keycaps, which are $19, and there's the availability of a wrist rest, which is $29. Now the wrist rest is a two-tone and it's either going to be white and clear acrylic or black and clear acrylic. The wrist rest is pretty cool looking. It's very substantial feeling, so it doesn't feel cheap or flimsy, and it's not a soft material. It actually is hard. Out of the box, the Halo65 is shipped ready to use with your Mac, though the respective window keycaps are included in the box. And we'll unbox it here in just a few minutes. In addition to Windows and Mac compatibility, the Halo65 works with iOS and Android, meaning this might be the perfect companion for your upcoming iPad Pro desk setup. Now you have your choice between a couple different switch types. You can either choose the red, brown, or blue G Pro 2.0 switches, or the Baby Kangaroo switches from Gateron. Now this is pre-configured with the Baby Kangaroo switches. Now this black keyboard is currently configured with the Baby Kangaroo as well, but I'm probably gonna swap them back to the brown switches just so we can get a sense of the typing test. So stick around for that. That's gonna be coming later on in the video. All right, let's unbox and see what is in here. So we have some sticker kits. There's the instruction manual or the poster that includes the instructions. Here is the keyboard itself, and dude, it looks so clean in this white colorway. Wow. All right, we're gonna get to this in just a moment. So heavy, you're not gonna believe it. Honestly, there's a better presentation that we see here, in my opinion, compared to what we've seen in the past. The kit itself actually looks very well organized and laid out. This is a FAQ, like frequently asked questions, and there is an additional set of keycaps and keycaps and switches, excuse me. So we have some additional white switches. We have this this is maybe a cyan colored? I'm not really sure. And this orange color, which I'm a huge fan of. In addition to 2, 4, 6, 7 additional keycaps. So you can swap them out and see how they sound. And a USB-C to USB-A cable that is 1.5 meters. Wow, this looks so clean. So clean. Ooh, I'm excited. Wow, it is so heavy. Oh, it thocks. Oh my gosh, I like it. All right, now if you are enjoying today's video and you want to get more content like this, consider subscribing so you can join the community where I help other people who have similar interests like you and I get more from either the tech that they have or make tech purchases. And if you want to signal to YouTube that, hey, listen, this is a cool video, let other people know about it, consider hitting like because it really helps out the video. It gets it pushed out to more people. I'd appreciate it. Now let's talk about the Halo65 more in depth. All right, so we've unboxed the Halo65 in white, and wow, it is super clean. I love this white colorway. Now I have the black one underneath it, and the black does look very nice as well. I just think I like the white aesthetic better. Let's take a look at this keycaps here. I ordered it with the Baby Kangaroo, and I don't know if they came pre-configured. I'm assuming it did. Yeah, it did, because it's not in there. As far as the material and the design are concerned, the Halo65 is made from ABS plastic on the lower housing with an aluminum upper housing separated by the Halo light encircling the entire keyboard. The bottom edge of the keyboard has these unique column-esque design styling that Nuphy says were inspired by the Ionic columns of ancient Greece. And the use of ABS plastic on the bottom should provide better wireless transmission, which would equate to better battery life. The USB-C port that we have here on the side is all color matched to the Nuphy aesthetic. You have this rocker button here, which indicates either off, wired, or wireless. You can connect this to up to 3 devices plus the additional 2.4 gigahertz receiver, which here, if you look at it, it's color matched as well, and it's magnetized, so it just slips right in. It's so cool the way that they did that. Now, what makes the Halo65, I think, unique is really that halo design. Now, the halo light is visible from the outside, but you could also view it from the inside edges of the keyboard, which creates this unique floating effect. Along with the halo lights, there are 65 RGBs on the PCB and a single side light in the upper left-hand corner of the keyboard. Now, this side light can be used to communicate battery charge, connection state, and caps lock status through a gradient light. All in all, there are 17 different backlight modes for the keyboard that can be customized by holding down the function key and pressing the left arrow key. You have 4 different halo light modes that can be customized by holding down the H key, the function key, and the left arrow key, in addition to 4 side light modes. Now, the keyboard is a 65% layout and 67 keys, making it just slightly larger than the Air 60 and slightly smaller than the Air 75. And if you look at other 65% keyboards, it looks almost the same. If we look at the Halo65, which is on the top, and the Air 60, which is on the bottom, we see that the Halo65 adds a page up, a page down, a start key, and an end key to the right-hand side of the keyboard. In addition, the Halo65 has a larger right-sided shift key than the Air 60, which makes it a big part of why I enjoy typing on this keyboard much more. What I think also makes this unique is really the attention to detail that Nuphy has gone to in a pre-built $120 keyboard. And I think that's the underlying tone here. You see there are a lot of keyboards that are available that cost around the same money, 100, 110, 120, which is not an insignificant amount of money. It's not necessarily cheap by any means, but the quality at the $120 price point is very substantial, in my opinion. All right, so I've taken apart the black Halo65 and I've removed all the keycaps, I've removed all of the switches, and I want to give you a look here first at the RGBs. So here is the 65 RGBs that you see here, and then in addition to, you see that halo light just kind of going along the inside of the keyboard case, and it's really creating a nice aesthetic. Now, additionally, there are 3 layers of damping material of silicon under the very bottom layer closest to the battery, a middle layer, and then a top layer as well. And there are the stabilizer bars and the silicon dampeners here to really fine-tune the way that the keyboard sounds. Now let's go ahead and get it set up and ready with all these brown switches. Okay, all the switches are replaced with the brown switches. I had to use 4 BBKs here because I was out of brown switches. But let's take a look at what this looks like with the shine through keycaps. Now, the shine through keycaps are ABS plastic, so they're not necessarily going to be as thick, and they are going to have a different sound. Plus, they'll be a little bit less resistant to oil and grease from your fingers. So keep that in mind if you're purchasing them. So do you like the brown on the black Halo 65, or do you like the BBK or the baby kangaroos on the white Halo 65? Let me know down in the comments below. Let's talk about how you can win the Halo 65. Comment down below what your favorite color is, what your favorite keycap is, and what your favorite switch is. And make sure you include either your Twitter or your Instagram handle so I can contact you when I pick a winner on October 31st, 2022. Now, I think that the Halo 65 offers a novel typing experience that is customizable. It's going to appeal to many, many different types of users out there. And no matter whether you are an enthusiast or whether you are an amateur, there's something that you can find about the Halo 65 that we think is going to fit in your setup. But I want to know from you, what is your favorite keyboard? Are you considering picking up the Halo 65? If you are, don't forget to use Mike10 on your order with Nuphy for 10% off. And I will talk to you guys on October 31st when I announce that winner.